Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday and welcome to reading. Guess what? We got to start with me telling you that I made a goof. When we made our LEQ picture, I forgot one important part of key details. And when we're retelling a story, one of the key details is the problem and the solution. So remember, your problem is something that's, wrong or needs to be fixed. And your solution is how you fix it. So today, with Going Places, I need you guys to write or draw about what the problem and solution is. So I want to think about other books we've read first. That way we can start getting some more ideas. So the first book I think of is when we did the Three Little Pigs. What was the problem in that story, and what was the solution? Yeah, I think about how the big bad wolf, he would come to the house and then blow it down, right? That was a pretty big problem. So what did that pig have to do? Good, he would go to another house. So that was one solution. And then, oh my gosh, the big bad wolf would come again and he'd blow down that house. So what would those pigs do? Good, they ran to the other house. And then at the other house, can the wolf blow it down? No. So that was a problem and a solution. Also, I think of Pete the cat. When his buttons kept coming off of his coat, did he cry? No. Did he go buy a new coat? No. So his problem was he kept losing his buttons, and what was the solution? Yeah, he just kept walking. He kept saying, it's okay, right? We're all good. Let's think of another book. What about the Three Billy Goats Gruff? What was the problem in that story? Yeah, the goats needed to get to the other side of the bridge so they could get food, but who was on the bridge? The troll, right? So how did they solve their problem? First, they had the little Billy Goat Gruff come. And he said, oh, don't eat me. I'm much too small. My brother will be here soon. He's bigger than me. And so the troll let the little Billy Goat go. And then the medium Billy Goat came. And he said, oh, don't eat me. My brother, he's much bigger. You'll like him more, right? And so he let the medium Billy Goat go. And then the big Billy Goat came. And what happened? Yeah, he was more powerful. He was bigger than the troll. So he was able to kind of get him in the water, right? And so then he was able to cross. Good. So those are all the examples of some problems in books and solutions. So now we need to talk about Going Places and what's the problem in that book and how did they fix it? So I want you thinking, if you need to, the next video is just me reading the book. There's no other talking, it's just me reading the book. So if you want to listen to the book again, you can go watch that video. So your job today is going to be to write about the problem and the solution. Remember, your writing could be sentences or it could be pictures, but you have to label your pictures. Otherwise, I don't know what's always going on. Okay, but let's think. What was the problem? Thinking about our story. We'll go through and just look at the pictures real quick. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, so they got their kits. Remember, all of the kits looked exactly the same. And we know Raphael was really good at putting his together because he liked following directions. Maya hadn't even started her kit yet. Right? Oh, and then she put it together and it looked a lot different. Could that maybe be part of your problem? Maybe you want to talk about how Maya didn't make a go-kart. So if that's our problem, if Maya didn't make a go-kart, then what's the solution? How did they solve that problem? Yeah, you could talk about how they worked together to make the best thing that they could make, right? Because we know Raphael really wanted to win the race. Oh yeah, remember I didn't like this boy. He wasn't being nice. Okay, my friends, so thinking, what was the problem in our story? And how did they solve it? What was the solution? So that is your job. That's what you're going to be writing about today. Remember, if you want to listen to me reading the story again, not just our picture walk, then go ahead and watch the next video. Otherwise, all you have to do is your writing and then upload your picture. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.